My name is Patrick Laborde. I work at Oakdale OSB. I'm on D team in heat and energy, and I'm also a team leader at relief. I started on the cleanup crew. I stayed there for several weeks. There was a position open on shift, so I went to D team in the blender building. I mastered the blender building. I got my 2 heat and energy raises outside. Then I got my operator raises. I mastered the system, and then I went over to the foreman line and got my foreman line raise. Then after that, maybe about 4 or 5 years ago, I started team leader relief. Been mentoring a lot of people, training them in the heat and energy area. I have a lot of mentors here, and everybody's real helpful. Everybody wants to see you do better. Everybody's probably go-to is Morty's. He's like a dad or a grandfather. Once you get past him being a little bit intimidating, he's real truthful. He'll be honest with you, and he'll help you get the answers you need, even if he doesn't know them. I remember a long time ago, Morty told me, if you want to be a forklift driver, you can be a forklift driver. But if you want to do better, we're going to let you do better here. I saw that a lot of people wanted to help me in my path, so I tried to help others grow to that path, and I believe that's how we become world class. I'm Patrick Laborde, and I'm glad somebody believed in me.